Now let's discuss the differences between complex systems and simple systems. Here I will assume complicated systems are just further or harder simple systems. So when I speak about simple systems, I'm referring to simple and complicated systems. So point number one, adding elements of a complex system results in emergence. That is, the whole is greater than or less than the sum of its parts. So when you add elements or parts of a complex system, what you get is not a resultant summation. But for simple systems, adding elements of a simple system results in summation. That is, the whole is the sum of the parts. Number two, for complex systems, elements of complexity are self-organizing or autonomous. What that means is that the individual parts that make up a complex system are by themselves autonomous on their own. Let's think about a typical complex system, say the human body. Your eye is independent of your leg. If your eye sees an danger coming, it might cause your leg to run. But let's say I throw a stone to your eye. Your leg will not move. It's your eye that will move. That's to tell us that your eye is functioning by itself, independent of your legs. Now, elements of a simple system, on the other hand, are codependent, requiring central control. So, take, for instance, a car. If you turn off the ignition of a car, the tires will not move, as well as maybe the stereo will not come on because you turned off the ignition. So, there is a central control system in a car. So, thus making a car some sort of simple system and making a typical human being a complex system. Complex systems are homeostatic or chaotic in nature, encouraging negative or positive feedback, whereas simple systems are numb to input and don't give feedback. It's very true. If I throw a stone at a wall, it remains a wall. There is no feedback because it's a simple system. Can't say the same for me throwing a stone at me. I might respond. But the homeostatic and chaotic is something that you may want to check later for further reading. Number 4, complexity is unpredictable, hence non-linear. Simplicity, on the other hand, is predictable, hence linear. Number 5, complexity adapts to stimuli, while simplicity responds to stimuli.